Hi guys, it's Brookelynne and welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be a nice, simple, girly Valentine's Day makeup tutorial. So let's get started. This will be perfect for a daytime date, a nighttime date, or whenever you want to wear this makeup look. So it is a nice, girly, beautiful, pinky look. So yep, if you want to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So I got my whole base makeup done, apart from like the contour and the cheek products. And I've got my eyebrows and one eye done, and I'm just going to go ahead and do the other eye. So I did use the Makeup Obsession Streamer eyeshadow palette. I got this in my advent calendar. I'm watching, see, what are you doing, baby? Away from here, away from that edge, sir. Sorry, I've got wee Horton there and he's chewing his bone, and I'm just like, get away from the edges because he'll chew the wood off my seat. So I'm just being watchful what he's doing and also trying to get this video filmed. And yeah, so I use this eyeshadow palette and these brushes, these two. They came with the advent calendar I got last Christmas, and then I did use two of my own brushes from a makeup roll, or brush roll. So the first colour I did use was this nice dusty muted pink colour on the top. They don't have names, or at least I don't think they do, but this one here. And I did use a wee round plain crease brush for like the crease and outer V area. So I'm just going to tap and swirl into that. This isn't really that pigmented, so I'll have to just build this one up. But basically what I'm doing is just taking it into the outer V and into the crease. The darkest part should be in that deep part of the crease. And I'll come in close to show you. Trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working. Keep on thinking, what is that? It's that light. I don't know what that big thing was, but it's a light. And that thing there. Everything's in the way, so basically just building up as I need to. I swear, whoever thinks dogs aren't as hard as kids, lie to you. They're liars, because Horton's like having a flipping toddler around. I love him to bits, but he can do my head in sometimes. But I wouldn't swap him for the world. Horton, what are you doing, baby? What are you up to? You okay? And I'm sorry, I'm getting like a flipping helicopter dog mum, but I do not want him chewing or getting himself into stuff he shouldn't be getting himself into. But basically just working that into the crease and also into the, basically blend it up just to create that wee what's it called again, like I don't think what it's called, like transition, so it's coming from like dark to light. That's the effect I'm going for, and I think just it had a bit more needs to go into that colour. Maybe I should have done voiceover for this, because I am actually crap at talking through what I'm doing. I really am. I just get into rambly things. It's just the way I am. I just talk crap. And what I'm going to do next is, see, yeah, that looks decent. I might add a tiny bit more of the outer V just to really deepen that colour up. Yeah, that looks decent. What are you doing? I'm sorry, I'm just like, please don't chew anything. So, the next colour I'm going to take, which may seem weird in a weird order, but it's this nice, like pretty pink, metallic lid shade, if I could speak. This one lid brush onto my lid spacer, the one I haven't coloured in with any of the crease shade. So basically just packing this on, just like that. And it's a weird order, like, but it's a weird order because I did some darkening up with the outer V area and like the smoky liner, but it'll work. So basically just packing this on, and this look will be perfect for like Valentine's Day, like during the day or at night time. You can even use a nude lip or a red lip, pink lip, whatever. because it'll just work and just be nice and girly for you. So this basically where I haven't put that other colour. It's just nice, and I like to kind of focus in like this crease place just to give it more like a crease look. Just see here. And that's that part done. So what I'm going to do now is take this nice really glittery black colour, and that looks good because I don't have the rest of makeup on, but I'm just taking the tiniest bit of it, like there, on this Jessup's pencil brush. I love this brush, it's really really good for like creating definition. So what I'm going to do is just kind of work it on the lash line and also up here, like that out of the area. And just kind of, like if you're not good at eyeliner, it's actually a really good trick because it just creates the illusion like you've made a ton of effort, which doesn't take that long, just to flick a bit of shadow with a wee pencil brush, just to create that definition. Just adding more even in this too, just to create. What are you doing? That's going to be like my main thing. This video is what am I doing? No! Calm down! Mommy's in a video! And also underneath, like halfway, the little under lash line, like the bottom lash line, should I say. And the scene just really kind of make it match. As you can tell, it's really made a nice effect. I'm adding some more to the other eye because it isn't like the same, so I'm just trying to make it look equal. Okay, so the next colour I'm going to take is like a nice champagne colour. This one, it's like wee shimmery, like ivory cream champagne, like a nice. Okay, so the rest of the makeup and all is done. The memory on this iPad is actually crap, and I'm running out of memory and I've got everything on it. I need to sort it all out. I know even after flipping like linking and stuff, so I have no memory on it apart from like it's one of them things. But yeah, so then my contouring, my blush, my highlight on the brows, which was like that champagne colour. My eyeliner, my mascara, which is this one. I'll try to link all down below because I don't have time to ramble on about them. I'm afraid just doing my head in. But that's what it looks like. Now, I was fine with, I love my side fringing, but see when it sits like that, like sits like a cow's like, I hate it. So that's just what the makeup looks like. This mascara is really good. You don't want to be bothered to wear fake eyelashes. It's quite a good like volumizing, lengthening mascara. I absolutely love it. But I would recommend, you can use eyelashes if you want to this look. I would recommend what ones? There's ones by Poundland or like Just Right Beauty ones, and they're like the way they're going away like curved shape and they're quite full, and it'll be lovely with this. Or like them cat eye ones, but I really like cat eye lashes because it looks like my eye shape as well as like the rounded ones do. So yeah, time for lips, and I'm gonna just line my lips with maybe a brown lip pencil or like a nude brown. That's dark, I think. I'm trying to think what colour to use. No, I don't want red. This one, I think. So I've got all these lip liners. So I'm gonna use the NYX lip pencil in the shade Natural. This is actually a lip liner I wore on my wedding day. Not this one because I wore the one I had for my wedding day. Sad face. But it's just the same one but different product. Ran out of memory again. That's the lips line. Just a rough outline of them and overdrew because I like to have that full look. So I'm putting that one back, and I'm gonna go for a nice pink. So this is one of my favourite lipsticks. It's the Maybelline Dream Matte Ink in the shade Dreamer. So that's gonna go on my lips. So
don't take it personal. I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying.
so that's what it looks like. It's a nice pink. I might add a gloss to tone it down a little bit, I don't know. Because it goes really well with that look. I don't know what to do, I think I might add a bit of a gloss. And then put the brown, like the nude colour, as a lip liner just to kind of not, to stop it from not going too pink. So should do a lip gloss. I actually might. Oh. Actually, it's not going to bother doing a lip gloss, but yeah, so that's the whole look completed. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again for my next one. Stay gorgeous. God bless. Bye.